Ebyizire kumanya bwa nyuma y'akakiko ka Public Accounts Committee ka district kucondoza bakashanga ngo Miriyooni 13 zikakozesubwa kubi. Ababara bahebwe biro bice byonka ukore ko sente zakozesibwe kitariye cyo bazishashure.
Police will make a statement. We shall see the statement. Let him exonerate himself and finish the DHO. I'm doing it because tomorrow he does not bring this day. I don't want to see him again here because of that nonsense.
But for us,
you as good. You
as a cow, as a technical
but the park is recommended. Yes.
I am saying the one responsible for accountability is the one who requisitioned the money.
But he's here. You ask him.
That's the point. I'm making my point.
He's here. You ask him.
So you cannot now transfer the responsibility of the one who requisitioned the money to another person. That's wrong.
Should we send it to finance, not to health? But he's not the one who paid. Is he the one who paid? For him, he requisitioned, but he did not pay.
And that money belongs to the one who requisitioned.
But who paid? Why do you pay without a receipt?
He should be the one responsible.
Then ask, if you paid, why didn't you require request for a receipt?
Supply of tires for the same vehicle that was doing the work.
The same period.
That there was no receipt attached.
The same period.
Same period. Receipt was gotten and attached and verified. And verified, yes. And finally, accountability, training of health workers for mass polio. This mass polio was in December, I think November, December 2022, the recent mass polio. The accountability was not at the time because we were still running the campaign.
Habatka mjuru mkuru wakachiko kapaka wa district ya Mbarara na jarang naija kora chango kureba ngo Mbarara yagarka habuteka na mnongo mu bakozi ba government.
The money was going to referral hospital. The money was transferred, but they wanted acknowledgement of the receipt of the money. Yeah, Roma, it was around 13 million, something like that. So this money was not receipted until the audit has come, and this has taken a lot of time.
Requisitioning a sente ni nyende responsible ko accountingira sente ezo. Achetegereza. DHO ya requisitioning a sente ni wari responsible to account for that funds, those funds. Tikuja ngo accountant wa mukorire voucher.
Akachiko kapaka kamara umwaka gumwe gwonka kurga katanika kure mirimo yako mu butongore. Gasha kwa Ramadan.